I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
And we love to use essential oils and teach people how to use them. My two daughters the other day had a lot of fun with stickers. And they stuck them all over the table.
Oh no.
Yeah, they had a lot of fun doing that. But I don't really want them all over the table.
Yeah, no. You don't want a fashion show.
The problem with stickers is they leave all that gunk behind when you're trying to rip them off. So this is a toxin-free recipe to help remove that gunk.
Ooh, that's going to be super handy.
So for this recipe, you'll use a 1 ounce container.
Which is included in your box.
You'll need 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, 18 drops of lemongrass essential oil, and a funnel will also be handy to help pour your recipe in.
All right, so here's the 1 ounce bottle that we're going to use. And we're going to pour in the fractionated coconut oil that we already measured out.
That's going to help loosen up the gunk underneath the sticker. And once that's in there, you can add the lemongrass. Lemongrass is also good at removing gunk and grease left over from things like stickers. Mix it up. Shaking it is a great way to do that.
All right, it is now shook up.
So let's show this gunk remover in action. Shyla, try to get that label off.
All right, let's see.
So to get some of this gunk left behind, you can pour some of this gunk remover onto it.
Good.
Great. And lemongrass is a stronger essential oil. At this dilution rate, you don't want to get it on your skin. So to help rub it around, we're going to grab another paper towel, or you can use a cotton swab or Q-tip too.
You scrub it?
Yeah, you can scrub it. Just mostly spread it out over it because it'll loosen things up if you let it sit on there for a little bit, and then if you scrub it away, it should come off pretty easily. Now that it's spread all over, we can wait a few minutes and to help it loosen up that gunk, and then we should be able to rinse away the gunk with a little bit of help from a washcloth or paper towel in the sink. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more recipes like this, head to blog.simplyearth.com.
And if you are not a subscriber, you can go to simplyearth.com and you can subscribe to this month's recipe box.
Where you can get everything you need for this recipe and more.
See you later.